there. Alright, so it's a day 2 in the Amazon. We got up in the morning at 5. We went to see the sunrise. Unfortunately, because of clouds, we couldn't see that. So today's gonna be the hectic day. And we'll have a breakfast right now in next half an hour. And then 8 o'clock, we'll move for the hike in the woods. It'll be a good walk. And let's see how that will be. And afternoon, after lunch, we'll be staying for 24 hours camping in the jungle. We'll keep you updated. Heading to the jungle, but the boat isn't starting. The struggles of the adventure. Struggles. So we're heading towards the jungle, going for a quick hike, and it will be around 3 to 4 hours hike in the jungle. We are on the boat right now. It's pretty much sunny, very good weather, open skies, pretty much comfortable. And let's see what Amazon has further got for us. Extreme beauty, the fascinating, the mighty Amazon. Alrighty, now heading towards the jungle. Hike in the jungle. We will get off. The mighty Amazon. Here we go. First walk inside the jungle.
Oh, see, wild boots.
The wild. It can be anything, any animal. Oh, wild boots.
Wild boots.
We've got some wild boots. This is dense. So he just told we have to be really careful of the spiders, of different types of mosquitoes, ants, and spiders. There are poisonous spiders here as well, and there are poisonous frogs. We have to be careful of that. We have to be careful of whatever we touch. There can be anything, and this is Amazon, so there can be certainly anything we have to be cautious about. Okay, let me watch.
Dude. Why? They're still there. One of the poisonous snake.
Oh my god.
There's one of the poisonous snake there. I don't know if that's visible.
Serious poison.
There's a snake there. We have to be cautious. There is a snake there. Amazing Amazon. So we are signing off from the jungle, heading towards our next plan. This was amazing, fantastic, adventurous. So taking the boat again and going back to our guest house. So after hiking from morning to afternoon, we are now heading towards the jungle again. We'll be spending around 24 hours in the jungle, camping. Will be adventurous. Let's see what again Amazon has got for us. I'm sure it's amazing. It's vast. It's diverse. Let's see how that is.
Sorry. I spoiled your video.
That's okay. People would want to.
Hi. Namaste.
That's good. Namaste. And then Tom. So we have German, we have Russian, we Indians. And then we have German, Italian, and then we have a Brazilian lady.
I'm the shortest person here, you know? Why?
Na sobrevivência.
You should share this video, okay?
I will do it. Fazer de espalha.
So that's the camp we are setting for the night stay. People working really hard.
Okay, I'm home.
Home and sheltered.
What?
Home and sheltered.
Yeah, yeah.
Tá vendo? Tem que já muda. Calor.
It's a jungle.
Calabresa.
Calabresa?
That's our camp. Worked really hard to prepare this.
What else?
That is the camp we have set up.
Every part, every nation has their own.
Spending next around 18 hours here, that will be for sure adventures. Alrighty, so this is where we'll be spending our night in the Amazon today. Cooking, sleeping, experiencing the adventure.
Sounded really desperate.
But this is the
You are making an experiment. What anaconda prefer? Yes.
This is the best place for anaconda, I'm telling you.
Which was the best for anaconda?
He is here. Anaconda, is it possible here?
Don't worry. They don't like Indian. We are so spicy.
Spicy. You will swallow it.
It's 5 of us. So the chance of being the one bitten by the or eaten by the anaconda
20%.
is
No, you cannot.
We're trying to increase our chances. Kind of.
Out on the boat, trying to catch some fishes. That'll be our dinner. So we have caught some fishes, around 4 to 5 fishes, medium size, but we need certainly more. It's dark, but hunting for food. There is a caiman. There's an alligator. Here it is. Oh my God!
Yeah, he's looking at us.
It's beautiful. He's looking at us, but he won't jump here in the boat.
How do you know?
He won't jump. He's not that big as well. So let's not be scared.
So you know how old they are, more or less.
Starting the fire in the Amazon to cook food. This is the power. This is the power. So we've started to cook some rice. Here it goes. There's some rice. Our fantastic cook has brought some rice in.
Hot here.
It's a jungle, the Amazon, pitch dark, but then we are in the camp here. The camp is set. That's fascinating. Alright, there's gonna be a spoon for our dinner.
Oma die China, wo as a world power.
My God, look at the way. It is straight out of the woods. So we'll have natural out of the woods spoon to have our dinner. So that is the spoon. Looks fantastic.
Manga. Patata.
Alright, time to sleep now. I'm the hammock. Let's see how the night goes. Here it is. That's the hammock. Good night. Bye bye. Hey, good morning. Well, the night went well. It wasn't that difficult, though we heard different kind of sounds from the Amazon. Different sounds of different animals, creatures. It was crazy, fantastic experience. But yeah, the night was pretty okay. So we'll be now going to meet the indigenous people of the Amazon. People who lived for ages and years in the Amazon, lived there, grown there. That's a local tribe. That all together will be again a different experience.
That's why you never. When you have a program, you invent things to make media. I work with this. I know what I'm saying.
This is, oh wow, this is a fruit and the color is coming out of that.
Posso pitar? Hunting for animals, hunting for girls. True warrior.
Oh man.
This is when you're going to hunt. Because every painting means different.
Yeah. I'm the ones over here now. Do you see my face? Well, that's off a Brazilian seed, which is found here in the Amazonas. And the indigenous tribe, they color themselves like this with that seed before going for hunting. And what our professional says that this seed is good for patients with diabetes as well. They can eat the seed one in the morning, once a day, I think. Hey, Conrado, our expert who took us through the entire jungle. Extremely grateful. Thanks to you.
Yeah, man.
And you know, your experiences which you shared, we are extremely glad we heard that from you. And you know, just for our viewers in India, he has been a part of BBC during expeditions, Discovery and National Geographic, I think, as well. And David Beckham. You have taken David Beckham on the expedition.
Yeah, yes, for sure. It was a pleasure to be his guide and had a good time. Very nice guy. And yes.
Glad to hear that. Thanks, Conrado.
Okay, man. All the best.
So luckily before leaving we are able to see the rains in the rainforest. Alright people, so with this we come to the end of this trip to the great Amazon rainforest. It was just an amazing trip, and I would say on the last day finally we got this rainfall in the rainforest. Extremely blissful, extremely surreal experience, and I would say people who get a chance, please do visit Amazon. Looking at photos for Amazon, I think it's entirely different. But when you visit here, it's an extremely surreal experience. Just beautiful, just amazing. And we are certainly taking great memories from here. And if I get a chance, certainly I would like to come back here again. And thanks again to the Amazon riders. Fantastic hospitality, fantastic people, lovely professionals who took us to the rainforest inside the jungle. Amazing night stay, extremely adventurous. Thank you so much. And it was indeed a pleasure visiting here. So that's it. That's the final view of the Amazon forest. For this trip, the Amazon rainforest trip comes to the end. We just came off the boat from there, from River Mamuri, going again into a boat through Amazon River to the port in Manaus, and then from there going to the hotel. So again, pretty emotional feeling, but surreal experience. For now, goodbye to the mighty Amazon. Bye-bye.